Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious toffee from condensed milk. This simple recipe lets you create a wonderfully chewy and sweet treat with just a few basic items. It's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth or for sharing with friends and family. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you get a perfect batch every time. Get ready to enjoy a truly irresistible homemade candy that's surprisingly easy to prepare. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 standard 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. For that rich, smooth texture, add 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Make sure you have a good quality nonstick pan ready, as this will prevent sticking during cooking. Also, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper and lightly greasing it. This ensures your toffee won't stick when it's time to cool. Now for the cooking, pour the condensed milk and butter into your non-stick skillet. Place it over medium heat. The key here is to stir continuously with a rubber spatula. This prevents burning and helps the mixture cook evenly. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll notice it thickening significantly and changing to a lovely golden brown color. Keep stirring until it pulls away from the sides of the pan. Once your toffee reaches that perfect golden brown and thick consistency, immediately pour it onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. Quickly spread it out to an even thickness of about 1/2 inch using a buttered spatula or the back of a spoon. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour, or chill it in the refrigerator. Once firm, cut it into squares or any desired shapes and enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.